Well, welcome to the 1992 Chevy K2500. Going on another final drive down the same old road here, and the truck is going to get sold pretty darn quick to one of my good friends that I work with. Awesome guy. Really happy that he's getting the truck. I had to put a new, to me, transmission in it. I didn't do it. I paid for a shop to do it because I figured it was too much work for me to do on my back in the gravel. But here we are again. Do a little walk around. I'm going to clean it up for him because it's pretty filthy, covered in mud from doing our farm stuff that we were doing. But we're going to be moving very soon to either Alberta or Saskatchewan. We haven't really figured it out yet. I'd kind of prefer Saskatchewan, but I guess we'll see what happens. And then hopefully moving to the United States soon after, but I guess we'll see how that works out for us. But yeah, what a reliable truck. Over the square bodies, these OBS as they call them, turnkey, you know, throttle body, fuel injection, 5.7 liter still, which is nice. You know, it's just nice to roll down the window and go for a cruise most days and don't have to worry about going too fast. And I've hauled tons of stuff in here, which is great. The suspension on this is way better than the last square body that I had, the dark blue truck. You guys have seen that one already. And yeah, I mean, I bought this truck for cheap. I knew that it had a transmission that was going to be going out on it like any day kind of thing. So when I bought this truck, you know, I got it for a good price, and sure enough, it was my turn, and it cost me something around $2,000 to have a used transmission put in. It's got 351,000 kilometers on it, so it's definitely up there, but the motor runs really nicely on it. And now with the newer transmission, it's the 4L80E. With the newer transmission in it, it shifts just fine, and it doesn't, you know, bump like it used to. It would like totally thud in first gear, second gear, and then one day I just lost reverse. I lost third gear in it. I had a load of hay in the back of the truck, and I couldn't even get out of my driveway. It was brutal. So we'll just take it up here and do another walk around, just like some of the other videos you guys have seen. And yeah, and then I'll get it all cleaned up, and that'll be it for this old truck. And then I think in Saskatchewan, my wife wants me to get another OBS just like this with the extended cab. So we'll see how that goes. I still prefer the square bodies myself, but I guess we'll just see how that works out. This is such a nice view from up here. I like it. Gonna be missing all these mountains pretty soon. Well, here she is, last drive. The outside dirty walk around. These tires are really cool tires too. They have 18-30 seconds of tread in them. They're a commercial traction TA BF Goodrich. And I never got time to fix the bodywork on this bad boy. Really would have liked to patch that duct tape spot there, but you just do what you can, I guess. Putting it to work right now. I'm gonna miss that. I'm sure that'll go right in the garbage. Nice sounding exhaust on it. It's just overall in good shape too, like really solid frame and all that, nice and clean. It's just got these two cab corner spots on it that need some attention, but other than that, it's in good shape. My friend already ordered the proper hubcaps for it, so that's pretty cool. Overall, just a good looking truck though, really. Let's go back on a drive again. Well, I guess that does that. So again, I don't know what to do next. I guess, you know, I got rid of most of the crap that I had to get rid of around our property and then clean everything up, and this thing's going to be gone probably this week or in a few days or something like that. And then on to the next property. We're going to do a moving van, get the biggest moving van we can, tow my car and come back for the wife's SUV, I think, because it's all-wheel drive. Don't want to try towing that. So should be pretty interesting. And then once we get there, we might only be there for even a few months, but I just kind of want to get out of the housing market here, get our house sold, and then buy another place to do like another little flip on. And and we might start getting into that. I'm not saying I'll get out of ambulance at all, but I'm kind of considering maybe getting out of that kind of work, and if we can make enough money, maybe we'll get into house flipping and stuff. So I guess we'll see how that goes though. And it's kind of weird too, not knowing about the market. You know, we know the market here fairly well, I guess, and you know, not knowing anything about where you're moving to is pretty scary. So have to rely on a lot of people and then quickly go there and make a decision. So it's going to be interesting, but it should be a good adventure. Pretty excited for that. Anywho's, if you're still watching, thanks for doing that. And I got all kinds of square body videos and fixing stuff and you name it. Kind of not really doing any of the livestock farm stuff anymore per se. I don't think we'll be doing that for a long time now, but anyways, hope you enjoyed the old body style 92 Chevy 4x4. Take care.